Yo, 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 yo.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
It's a hot ticket tonight, and we here at EA Sports are so excited to bring it to you. Along with Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. Let's get ready to play this one. Ray, how special is it to don the colors of your country?
I got to do it 4 times, James. Some of the most proud moments of my career.
We are about set to drop the puck as both setters make their way into the dot. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Team Norway's got the puck against the wall. Comes up with the stop. Norway's got it, and they're on the attack. Rips it, misses wide. Merzlikins elects for the breather and goes for the whistle.
I like this play, James. He's seen enough chaos in front of him.
Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Team Latvia's across the blue line. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Fires it on net. A little too much height on that.
Yeah, maybe take a little bit off it, get it on the net. The goalie had to duck.
Right to the middle. Takes a shot, and that's broken up. Latvia's got a hold of it along the wall. Takes the feed from the left side. Oh, did he ever rock him in the open ice? Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Quick feed down low. Slides it back to the blue line. Here's a blast, and that's wide of the net.
Probably better off to take a little off the shot and get it on target. He's nowhere near the net.
Norway's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Bumped off the puck. Solid body contact. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. The turnover! Here they come! With possession along the wall. Here's a shot, just wide. Moves it to Zuccarello. Takes it across the blue line. Here's a shot. That's turned aside for the blocker. No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. Moves the puck along the half wall. Takes the feed at the point. Can't get it to go. Along the half wall with the puck. From against the wall, it's centered out. And that one's broken up. Yepilovs, he's all alone with the goaltender. Misses the net.
Yeah, he's trying to be too perfect here. He's looking to place this puck into one small area, but he misses the net.
Shot on net, and that one's turned away.
Since nobody scored, each team trying to find a little bit of room on the ice. When you can collect a hit like this, everyone on your bench notices.
Setter's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Team Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Takes the pass as he banks it off the wall. Handles the puck at the point. Out front, and that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Moves it around along the half wall. He got hammered.
Yeah, did he ever. Now he's got to go pick up his stick. Pretty tough to play the rest of the game without one of those.
And the puck skips out of the zone. They'll have to regroup. Scoops up the puck now. At center, takes the pass. Handles the puck. Takes the pass. Team Norway's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Hammers a shot, gets a glove on it to make the save.
He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Back to the point it goes. Moves behind the net. Couldn't catch up to that pass. Tries to make that cross-ice feed. On the attack along the boards. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Latvia's got the puck along the wall. Through center along the wing. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Quick feed down low. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. With possession along the wall. Hammered into the boards.
Wow, he closed off his room, slammed him into the boards. They're still rattling.
Kennens plays it against the boards. Gets a hold of the puck here at his own end. Zuccarello's tripped up and the official's hand is in the air, signaling penalty. Feeds the puck across to Zuccarello. And the goaltender gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Near the point. Puts it up front. There's the physical side. Here's a blast. There's the whistle. Let's get the official decision. Pretty cut and dry trip on that play.
Coaches will tell you, be careful with your stick, but you're trying to get the puck. I don't think a lot of times they do it intentionally.
Norway sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Well, James, statistically, we know that you score the first goal of the game, you're going to win well over 55% of the time. So that first goal is critical. Now you've got a great chance because you're on the power play.
Oh, that gets a piece of the stick.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Grabs the puck and looks to make something happen. Looks to set up at the point now. Blocked in traffic. Takes the feed. Gets in front of it. Trying to get it out of their own end. And a nice job by the Killers on that one.
Yeah, now they can get a change, get some fresh players on the ice.
Gives it right back. Big-time defensive play. Straight up the middle. Here they come. Moves the puck along the half wall. Team Norway's looking to break out of their own end. Along the half wall with the puck. Good defensive stop with the poke check. Gets it out of his own end. Slides it up ahead from the right wing. Solid shorthanded performance there as both teams are now back to even strength.
I like the work the penalty killers did there. The power play at times looked dangerous, but they didn't give up anything. And the power play is now over.
Kolda's got it across the line. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Glove save.
He's not going to face many more high-danger chances than that, but he snares that attempt. I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Moves it quickly over to Zuccarello. Pass it up ahead. Puck dumped in, and the forwards will head off. Team Latvia's got a hold of it against the wall. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Takes that pass back at the point. On the deflection. Great save by the goaltender to get a pad on that one. Keeping the puck out of the net. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. Over the line they come. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass. Great chance in front. Scores!
He's probably got about 2 seconds from the time that puck's delivered to find it. He can't see it, so he drops into the butterfly and hopes it hits him.
Norway's offense has been hammering away since the start. They finally get a goal.
You chip away, the crack opens up, now you take advantage. They've done that, and they'll want to finish off the first period the same way.
Smart read by the defender to come up with it. Moves it around along the half wall. On the attack along the boards. Back to the blue line. Blast from the blue line. And it doesn't get better than that. Oh, he's going to be shaking his head.
Yeah, except all we would say on the bench is it sounded hard when it hit the end board.
Moves the puck. Big time stop there. Team Norway's got it now. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Nice pass. Great read to break up the play.
Really nice play, but that turnover shouldn't happen. They've got the lead, a little safer with the puck.
Grabs the puck here inside the offensive end. Norway's got a hold of the puck. Coughs up possession of the puck. Snaps one on net, makes the save. What a reaction with the blocker.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save.
Bukarts plays it into the offensive zone. Knocks the puck loose after a solid hit. Takes the feed. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Latvia's gained possession along the boards. There's the whistle. Offside is the call, stopping the play. Team Norway's got the lead here late in this first period. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. With possession along the wall. Pass right on the doorstep. Into the corner of the attacking area. Denied by the goaltender. Here they come on the attack. Moves the puck along the half wall. Latvia's got it behind the net. Blocker saved by the goalkeeper.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
Late goings of this period, 1-0 to score. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Team Latvia's got a hold of it along the wall. Moves the puck more to the middle. Point-to-point pass. Along the half wall with the puck. Receives the pass. Norway's got the puck along the boards. Zuccarello's got the puck along the wing. Sends the pass over. Misses over the net.
Hit the net. No chance to score if you don't get the puck on target.
Carries it in. Moves it around along the half wall. First period nearly in the books here. Gets it over to Zuccarello.
1 minute left in the first.
On the attack along the boards. Glove saved by the goalie. Team Norway's been the better team here in this first period. More shots and more goals. Just a better all-around execution. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, he's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
And the puck escapes the zone, and they'll be forced to tag up. Takes the feed in the middle of the ice. Slides the puck over. That's a good heads-up play at center ice. There's the whistle from the linesman calling it offside. Norway's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. The horn sounds on the first period comes to an end. Well, a fun start at both ends of the rink. 1-0 is the score through the first frame.
Hey, kids, don't forget if you're a member of our rookie team, you'll have the opportunity to have a couple of our players sign on.
And while both teams get a refresher, we'll take one ourselves heading into the second period. Clean sheet of ice, period 2 is set to go. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. One period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
Norway's been really good so far. They're playing defense by being in the offensive zone. They have the majority of the shots and a one-goal lead.
Quick feed to Zuccarello. Takes a shot, just wide of the net. Can't keep a hold of it. Knocked away. Here's a chance to set up now. Scores! That's back-to-back, Ray.
Well, the game has changed. Those 2 goals here really have changed the outlook. Bang-bang play. The goalie's not going to catch up to this one, James. He's looking behind the net where the puck is. Everybody else forgets about what's in front of the net. That's the dangerous player.
Team Norway's got a 2-goal lead now. Do you subscribe to the theory a good defense is a good offense?
100%, in particular the way that the game is played these days. Too easy to call. Penalties against you if you sit back. I say play in the other end.
Great poke check on the reach. Right in the open ice. That one's picked off. Puck picked up in the open ice. Pass back to the point. Gets it to the other point. Puts it just wide of the net.
Oh, go big or stay home. A shot from the point. He's going to the shelf. He just shoots it over the net.
Takes the feed at the back end. Misses over the net. Latvia's got the puck along the wall. Carries it across the line. Back at the point, they set it up. Here's a chance with the stop. Norway's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. Good read by the winger as the 2 setters tie up. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And he came up big on that last opportunity. Team Norway's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Sends a pass over. Handles it along the blue line. From the opposite point. Here's a blast. Oh, it comes up with nothing on the play.
Now he's going to have to adjust the sights on that one. That thing's off target by a long way.
Up along the wing. With possession along the wall. Hammers it on net. Here's an offensive chance. Handles the puck. Takes the pass. Picks up the puck in his own end. And they send it right back to him. Moves the puck along the half wall. Team Latvia's got a hold of it against the wall. Takes the feed. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Slides the puck down low. Blocker save. Centered out in front. And that's picked off. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Here's an odd man rush. Gets that puck back on a stick. Glove save. Somehow got a piece of it.
Merzlikins challenges and makes a save on a dangerous scoring chance.
Moves the puck. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Here's a chance to make something happen inside the neutral zone. What a great read breaking up the pass.
Not a bad look as there's some open ice. He turns it over, though.
Along the half wall with the puck. He got all of that one. Latvia's looking to break out. Through center along the wing. Norway's gained possession along the boards. Hard hit on the play.
Wow, did he ever finish him hard. And when he dropped, he also dropped his stick. Now he's got to collect himself. Looks like a yard sale out there.
Turns it away.
Smothered that in close chance.
Moves it around along the half wall. Takes a shot, and that one's stopped.
Girgensons uses his skating skill to get into position to throw this huge hit.
Getting closer to the halfway point of this frame. 2-0 is where we sit. Girgensons is quick on the draw. Slides it back to the blue line. Team Norway's got it in their own zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. All alone. Big time stop.
Shows off his athleticism to follow the puck. The deke is made, and he's still right there.
Team Latvia's got the puck in their own end. On the attack along the boards. On the doorstep. Long jam in front. That's broken up. Takes it across the blue line. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. From the slot, fires away, makes the save.
Oh, he snaps the glove save off there. Excellent chance in the slot.
Norway's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Nice pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes the feed. Lets it go. Stopped by the goaltender. Team Norway's got the puck in the defensive end. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Receives the pass.
Whoa.
He scores!
Well, this can be something that changes your year around. You get a few bounces like this, or you don't get a few bounces like this. The puck's off the post in the net. I think he almost gave up on this. He can't find the puck, and he just stands there. This thing beats him cleanly. He never saw it.
Norway's center makes his way back to center ice here for the face-off. What a performance by these guys tonight.
They've been terrific, dominated the game at both ends of the ice. The pace of the game is what they want, and they're comfortably in front.
Assisted by number 90.
Sends the pass over. Big hit.
Well, he's going to have to pick himself up, but then he's got to go get his twig, which is slid all the way over there before he can get back into play.
And makes the save.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Team Norway's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Takes the feed at the point. Oh, that's a good hit. Moves it over to Zuccarello. Over the line they come. Look out, a 2-on-1. Scores! All over the rebound, and he puts it in.
Get to the net. That's where the goals are. The rebound sits there, and he puts it away.
brought it tonight. They absolutely have dominated here, especially with the goal scoring.
A bit faster, they played with more skill, and they are filling the net. What a fun night to play in.
With possession along the wall. Oh, he'll feel that one.
10 minutes, 56 seconds.
Picking up some steam at center ice. Moves the puck along the half wall. Slides the puck over. Takes the feed up ahead. Great use of the body to knock him off the puck. Into the offensive zone. Unloads the shot. Just misses. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Drives it to the front of the net. And he comes up with it. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Handles the puck at the point. Sends a pass over. Comes up with the stop.
That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Team Norway's offense came to play in a big way, and they lead big time here in the second. Offense's zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Along the half wall with the puck. Handles the puck. Laying the body. Moves it around along the half wall. Latvia's got a hold of it along the wall. Kennens gains the zone. Puts it towards the net. Along the boards, they battle for the puck back and forth. Back to the point it goes. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Team Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Big play inside the defensive zone. Latvia's got possession here in the offensive zone. And that goes wide.
He's got to do something a little better than that. Just can't finish it from there.
Wonder if that gives him a nightmare later. Into the corner now. Looks to set up at the point now. On the attack along the boards. Passes right to the front. Comes up with a big pad save to deny.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
That goes off the mask. He scores! It looked like he had made the save, but that's in the back of the net for a goal.
I always have zero sympathy for the goalie. That's a tough break, bad break for him, you bet. But the puck goes into the net after somehow it's funneled that way and it bounces around into the cage.
Team Latvia's back to center ice. What's the message here? Because there's still a long way to go.
I don't think anybody looks too far ahead. You got one goal, try and get another, try and get yourself within shouting distance.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Knocks the puck loose. Latvia's got control of it now from their own end. Here they come on the attack. Takes that pass back at the point. Takes the pass. A little banging and crashing now. Rositis has the puck against the half wall. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And there's the save.
Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through them.
Norway's been dominating at all ends of the ice, especially offensively here late in the second. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Knocked away. Rocks him on the play. Slides it over with pace to Zuccarello. Back to the blue line. Off a stick. Team Latvia's got the puck along the wall. Kolda swooping in on the attack. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And he's taken down the official's arm, signaling for a penalty. Time for the officials to hand out the judgment. Tripping the call on the play.
I don't necessarily think he's trying to trip him here, James, but he gets his stick into his feet, and down he goes.
And the man advantage unit comes out to go to work.
Key for any team on the power play is to get control of the puck first. So we'll look at the face-off, and this power play at the very least has to generate a little momentum. It's their first crack at it tonight.
Stopped by the goaltender. Team Norway's got to be happy with where their game is at so far tonight as they continue to lead big here late in the second. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Shot sends it off mark.
A little bit too perfect with the delivery as he shoots it wide of the goal.
Up along the wing. Here's a shot, and he comes up with the save. Norway's been an impressive club to watch tonight, especially offensively, as they lead big here late in the second. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. On their heels, trying to clear. And he moves the puck across the blue line out of the defensive zone. Bukarts takes it across the line. With possession along the wall. Puts one on net, and a great save. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And manages to clear the zone. Under a minute to go here inside the second period. Here's the pass. Penalty has expired. Both sides back to even strength.
Really aggressive work by the penalty killers. They shut that power play down without any danger.
Ahead of steam now towards the front. Slides the puck across.
I love the way they've played this shift. They've protected the puck well, but now they've got it and they can run around the zone. The defenders can't chase them. They're too tired.
Pass back to the point. Ref's arm goes up in the air. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. Here comes the call. This is a good old-fashioned hooking the call here.
He looked like he was water skiing. Man, you got to move your feet. You get your stick around his waist, you'll get called.
And that's all she wrote on period number 2 in this one. 4-1 is where we stand after 40 minutes of play with the third period still ahead.
Are you ready for your walk down memory lane? Then join us for our fantasy camp. Play hockey with your childhood heroes. It's a fun-filled week full of memories, and you can call us right now for details.
Don't go anywhere. Third period is just around the corner. And they are ready to drop the puck on period number 3. Latvia's power play is still intact as this period is now underway, and they take possession. Takes the feed. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Gets it out of his own end. Moves the puck. Carries it in. Here's a shot, and the puck dies with the trapper save. James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. 4-1 is where we sit. A pretty one-sided affair. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Fires one, comes up with the stop. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. And manages to clear the zone. Looking to break out here on the power play. Long pass into the neutral zone. Slides it across. Nice pass. Takes the feed at the back end. Moves the puck along the half wall. Knocked off the puck. And he makes the save. Takes the feed. Both teams back to even strength. Really nice effort by the penalty killing unit on that one.
Slowly, they start to take the momentum away from the other team. They get a power play, and this PK unit has been perfect.
There's going to be a penalty on this play here, James.
Well, the officials have tried to keep things in line, and yet another penalty called here. Ray, it looks like he's getting tossed from the game here.
Yeah, he's got the gate. He's going to head down between the benches into the locker room, and that'll be it for him tonight.
As they're about to drop the puck, the power play unit back out onto the ice for another opportunity.
Sometimes you have to have the shortest of memories when you play on a specialty unit like the power play. It hasn't gone very well for them so far tonight. They have to attack this power play with a renewed vigor.
2 minutes, 27 seconds.
Lots of time left in this period, and we've got a 4-1 hockey game. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Gets it out of his own end. Team Latvia's got a hold of it against the wall. Carries it across the line to his teammate. Here he is in front. Oh, couldn't finish the job. What an excellent opportunity, Ray.
They worked their way into good shape. He's just not able to beat the goalie.
Receives the pass. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. Off the tip. Great save by the goaltender to stay with that tip.
Dead center. Excellent save.
With the one-timer, misses wide.
He's going to have to fix the sights on that stick. He missed the net by a mile.
It's like another area code. Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Back at the point, they set it up. Sends the pass over. Here's a chance to clear the puck from his own end. And they get it down.
Yeah, good communication. They talk to each other. They're in the right spot. They just clear it down the ice.
Along the half wall with the puck. Can't keep a hold of the puck after that play. Quick shot. Not even close.
Not close to anything. The net's been the same size for 100 years.
Deep inside the defensive end. Still trying to clear. Cross the blue line, and they'll get that much-needed change, Ray.
Yeah, they've got to get guys off the ice. They look tired. Now you can get a fresh group on the ice.
Sends it over. Right in front. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. And manages to clear the zone. Takes it across the blue line. And he regains control of the puck. Team Norway's regained possession of the puck. Gets it out of his own end. Team Latvia's got a hold of it along the wall. Moves it around along the half wall. Trying to get the puck out of his own end. And it stays in. Handles it along the blue line. Steps into all of that. And manages to clear the zone. Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Team Latvia's looking to break out of their own end. On the attack along the boards. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass. Well, that must have felt like forever for the penalty killers, but they come up huge, refusing to allow a goal as the major penalty expires.
I don't know what they're thinking on the bench, but they must be disappointed. They just let 5 minutes of power play time slide by, and they've got nothing to show for it.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And that one's broken up. Over the line they come. Into the corner. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Grabs it in his own end. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Off target. Handles the pass from the right side. With possession along the wall. Lets it go. Oh, what a stop. Right up the gut. Here they go. Slides the puck over. Now a quick pass to Zuccarello.
Zuccarello's able to take that quick pass. He's already got a couple of goals. He's looking for a third.
Denies him in front.
Certain saves are more difficult than others. This one right from the slot is turned aside.
Hangs onto the puck. They've got the defense outnumbered. Here's a shot with the stop. Takes the feed from his netminder. Sends a pass over. Slides it back to the blue line. Oh, he might be shaking his head after that one.
Pretty good shot. Nice delivery of the shot, but the goaltender beats him.
Moves the puck along the half wall. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Yepilovs brings it in. Handles the puck. Stopped by the goaltender.
Oh, he reads the play really well to get out and aggressive to make that save. Bukarts lowers the boom. That's a big hit.
Latvia's got to be frustrated with how things have played out tonight, trailing in this third period. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. And he gets the puck right back. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play.
You're going to take a chance once in a while if your team's trailing.
Along the half wall with the puck. Picks off the pass. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. Loses his balance on the play.
Oh, that is a big hit. I don't know why he's got to fight here. There's nothing wrong with the hit, and now he's got to fight. I don't like it.
And down he goes.
That's a clear winner right there. You can't touch momentum, but you can feel it. And the home team's going to build a little bit, they believe, after a fight win.
Listen to this place. Back to the face-off circle. They'll send the man advantage unit out again. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And makes the save. Across the point. Great hit on the play. Team Latvia's got a chance to work the transition game now, shorthanded. Moves it around along the half wall. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Moves the puck. On the attack along the boards. Denied by the goaltender. Elects to play the puck. Here they come on the attack. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Comes up with the stop.
This is a quality chance that the goaltender turns aside right from the slot.
Latvia's got it in their own zone. Norway's got it now. Big save. Here he is in front. Shoots it on the backhand, and that one's blocked. Nice pass.
They're able to wind the clock down a little bit here. They don't score.
And rings the iron. Takes the feed. Takes the feed at the point. Oh, a reactionary save.
Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. And it's been a pretty one-sided affair to this point. It's 4-1. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And that one's turned away. And he loses both the puck and his balance after that hit. Team Latvia's Achilles heel tonight has been finding offense as they trail here in the third. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Handles the puck at the point. Centering pass. Team Norway's got a hold of the puck. Carries it in. Here they are on the attack. Sends it across. Hammers one from the point. Makes a save. Cool and calm under pressure. From one end of the blue line to the other. Oh, what a beautiful glove save. Late goings of this period. It's a 4-1 game. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Carries it across the line. Receives the pass. Takes the pass in the corner. Knocked away. Here's a chance. Puts it on net. Norway's looking to break out. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Through center along the wing. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Sends the pass over. Slides the puck over. Busted twig.
He puts everything behind this. He's got it right in his wheelhouse, and then the stick just craters on him.
With possession along the wall. Latvia's got the puck along the wall. Forces the turnover, comes up with the puck. Uses the boards with the bank pass. Team Latvia's got the puck in their own end. Kennens moves it into the attacking end. Shoots it, denies him with the save.
Nobody wants to take a step back here. One team makes a hit, it seems like the other team's got to answer right away. It's been like that all game long.
Latvia's offensive struggles have been the story tonight. Lots of chances, just not a lot of results. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Team Latvia's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. And the lane's clogged up, blocking that. From the point. Team Norway's got a hold of it against the wall. Sends a pass over. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And a smart heads up. He might have a step here. He's clear. Oh, what a save. Norway's got it in their own zone. Final minute of regulation here, and it should be it. Shot. Stones him with the blocker.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter.
Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck. Team Norway's not stopped being on the body since the beginning of this period. They are crashing into every guy they can. They've now got the lead.
Here in the late goings of the period, a lot of offense in this one, mostly from one side. We've got 4-1 the score. Handles the puck. Takes the pass. Moves the puck along the half wall. Moves right to the middle. Stopped by the goaltender. Latvia's running out of time. They need to find a goal here quickly as they trail late in the third. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Right out front, can't connect, and that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Bukarts plays it into the offensive zone. Along the half wall with the puck. Puts the puck on net, gets in front of it.
Pretty solid stop, and the puck goes into the corner to safety.
And they'll be forced to regroup after the puck bounces out of the offensive zone. And that's all she wrote on this one as we are in the books.
Really good game for them. I thought they played well in several different segments of the game, including their face-offs, where they controlled the puck a lot.
And also in the defensive zone in addition to the offensive zone.
Once they get the puck clean, they were able to get it out of the zone, and they did a nice job.
For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. We'll see you next time we drop the puck. Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.